Welcome to Wonder of Learning channel. Today we'll be reading a story about learning how to make new friends. First, we will look at the vocabulary words that you will see in this week's reading story. Friend, a person whom you know well and who likes you. Problem, a question or condition that is difficult to understand or to deal with. Escape, to get free, to get away, avoid being caught or harmed. Grasp, to take hold with a hand or other thing that is capable of holding. Rescue, to free or to save. Now let's read the story, Make New Friends Together. Get ready and read along with me. We see a monkey in the tree. The monkey is all alone. I want a friend, said the monkey. A meerkat pops up. Hi, I am a meerkat. Hi, I am a monkey. I like to swing. We like to dig, said the meerkat. Do you want to be my friend? Asked Monkey. Yes, said Meerkat. We are friends. We see a moose in the pond. That is a moose, said Meerkat. Let's go say hi, said Monkey. Hi, Moose. I am Monkey. And I am Meerkat. Do you like the pond? Asked Monkey. Yes, I like the water, said Moose. Do you want to be our friend? Yes, said Moose. We are friends. We see a tiny mouse in the grass. That mouse looks scared, said Moose. Let's go slow, said Meerkat. Hi, Mouse. We are friends, said Monkey. I have a problem, said Mouse. I got lost. We can help you, said Moose. Mouse tried to escape from the grass, but got stuck. Meerkat grasped Mouse's paw. We will rescue you, said Monkey. Thank you, said Mouse. You are good friends. We see the friends smile. We like to help. Now we will learn about the different kinds of ways that people and animals make friends. One way to make friends is to play nicely with others. Another way to make friends is to share your toys and food with others. You can also talk to others and get to know them. Another important thing we can do to make friends is to help others when they need help. Remember, a very important thing we can do to make and keep friends is to apologize when we are wrong. Lastly, we can be kind to all kinds of people and animals with love and sympathy. If you are doing these things to make friends, then you're doing great. Keep up the good work. Thank you for learning with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share us with your friends. We hope you'll join us again soon for another lesson on Wonder of Learning. Until then, bye-bye.